Hi viewers, welcome to Yogi, the math tutor. I will now explain the problems in exercise 2.5. Second question. What number is that of which the third part exceeds the fifth part by 4? Now you should take letter number is equal to x. Third part means that is 1 by third of x, that is equal to x by 3, and fifth part means 1 by 5 of x, I mean fifth part of a number, that is equal to x by 5. According to the problem, third part exceed the fifth part, means x by 3 minus x by 5, which is equal to 4. Answer is the given 4. Now you should take the LCM of these denominators and simplify this equation. Now do the LCM of 3 and 5, we are getting as a 15. So again multiply the numerators and denominators to, change the denominators to the like fractions. So 3 times 5 is 15. So numerators have to multiply with the 5, that is 5 times of x, that is 5x. Denominator here we have 3, so you should multiply with the 3. So 5 times 3, that we are getting 15. So numerator multiply with the 3, that is 3 times of x. So 5x minus 3x, which is equal to 4. Now coming to the simplify the numerator, then you will get 5x minus 3x, which we have 2x by 15, which is equal to 4. Now 15 is in the denominator, it is division part, you should do send to the right side, it will become multiplication, that is 4 into 15, then 2 times of x. Now 2 times 1 is 2 times 2 is 15, 2 times to the 4 you will get, then x is equal to 2 times 15 30. So the number is equal to 30 is an answer. The next question, the difference between two positive integers is 36. The quotient when one integer is divided by other is 4. Find the integers. So now we are taking the two integers. For example, if you are taking the one integer is an x. So another integer you should take x minus 36. Why? Because the differences between these two integers they given as 36. So in that 36, one number is x. You can define another number as x minus 36. Now you can declare let the number is equal to x and another number is equal to x minus 36. Then next the quotient when quotient is given as 4. The quotient is 4 when the integer is divided by another. So we are taking the one number is dividing another number, that is x minus 36. The quotient is 4. So it is an equation. Now you can transfer this x minus 36 to the right side, it will become multiplication. So x minus 4, x is equal to 4 times of x minus 36. Now you can simplify, x is equal to 4 into x, we have 4 times of x minus 36 4s, you will get 144. Now transfer the x to the left side. So then x is equal to x minus 4x, which is equal to minus 144. Then x minus 4x, we are getting minus 3x, which is equal to minus 144. Cancel the minus and negative. Then 3 table you are getting the 144. Then 3 times 1 is 3 times 4 is 12 and 3 8 is 24. So then x we got as 48. So another number x minus 36, which is equal to 48 minus 36. The answer is 12. So one number is therefore the integers are 48 and 12 is answer. The next question, the numerator of a fraction is 4 less than the denominator. If 1 is added to both its numerator and denominator, it becomes 1 by 2. Then we are going to find a fraction. So the numerator of a fraction is 4 less than the denominator. So first you should take denominator of the fraction is equal to x and numerator of the fraction is equal to x minus 4. Then next how you can write the fraction, x minus 4 by x. It is in a fraction form. So again 1 is added to the both numerator and denominator. So 1 is added to the both numerator and denominator. Then it becomes 1 by 2. Now we are going to find the original fraction. So what is the original fraction of x minus 4 by x? So we are going to find this original fraction. So to find this original fraction, we need x value here. Now you can simplify this equation, x minus 4 plus 1, it will become minus 3 by x plus 1, which gives 1 by 2. Now take the cross product to simplify. Then 2 times of x minus 3, which is equal to 1 time of x plus 1. Now 2 times of x 2x minus 2 times 3 is 6, which is equal to 1 into x 1x plus 1 times 1 is 1. Now transpose the x to the left side and minus 6 to the right side. Now transpose the x to the left side. So 2x minus x, which is equal to 1 plus 6. Minus 6 will come to the right side, it will become plus 6. Then 2x minus x, we have 1x, which is equal to 7. So we got, x is equal to 7. What is an x? X is nothing but the denominator. So how to find numerator now? X minus 4, which is equal to 7 minus 4, that is equal to 3. Now this is the numerator of the fraction. Therefore, the fraction is equal to numerator and denominator. That is, numerator we have 3 and denominator we have 7. So the fraction is equal to 3 by 7 of this. So 3 by 7 is the solution of this problem. So the next question, find 3 consecutive numbers such that if they are divided by 10, 17 and 26 respectively, the sum of their quotients will be 10 they given. So first you should find the 3 consecutive numbers. So consecutive numbers means you should take x plus 1 and x plus 2. These are these three are consecutive numbers, and if these numbers are divided by 10, means x by 10, you should take x by 10 and x plus 1 by 17 and x plus 2 by 26 respectively. Means the x is divided by 10 and x plus 1 is divided by 17 and x plus 2 is divided by 26. And the sum of their quotients. So sum of their quotient, answer will become 10. So it is an equation. Now you can simplify. Now take the LCM of these 3 denominators, 10, 17, 26. Now here you can do the LCM of 10, 17 and 26. So 10, 17, 26. So 2 tables you can take. 2 times 5 is 10 and 17 is a prime number. 26 means 2 13 is 26. And here we can see these 2, 5, 17 and 13 is all are prime numbers. Then we can end the LCM. So LCM of these denominators now 2 into 5 into 17 into 13, that is called 10 into 17 into 13. Then you will get answer is 2210 is answer. So the LCM of these 3 denominators we are getting 2220. Now you can take it as a denominator 2210. Now you can convert the denominators. So 10 table you should multiply. See, already here we have 10 in the product. So we should multiply 17 into 3. Sorry, 17 into 13. So 17 into 13 means 221 you are getting. So you should multiply to get 2210 in the denominator. You should multiply with the 2 into 221 into 10. So numerator should multiply with the 221. Then you will get 221x plus. Here we have 17 there. So already 17 there in the product in the right side. So this is 17 is there. So you should multiply 10 into 13. So we require 130. So numerator multiply with 130. So that is you should multiply with 130 of x plus 1 plus in the denominator here 26 there in the third case. So 26 means you should multiply with 2685. You should multiply with 2685 is the numerator multiply with 85. Then you should take 85 times of x plus 2, which is equal to 10. Now you can simplify. 221 x plus 130 into x, we have 130 x plus 130 into 1, we are getting 131 plus 85 into x, 85 x plus 85 into 2, that is 170 by, we have 2210 is an answer, 2210, which is equal to 10. Next you can add the all x terms. This is 221, 130, then 85. Total you will get 436 of x plus number terms you can add 131 and 170. That is sorry, here we have 130 and 170 is 2 numbers that we are getting 300. So by 2210, which is equal to 10. Now you can send to the right side. So 436x plus 300, which is equal to 10 into 2210. Then next you are getting now you need to transport 436x plus 300, which is equal to 22,100. Then you should transfer this 300 to the right side. So 436x, which is equal to 22,100 minus 300. Then you will get 436x, which is equal to 21800. Then now you can cancel it with 436 tables. Then x is equal to 21,800 by 436. Then you will get 50 is the answer. So 1 then 50 is you are getting answer. So x we got as a 50. Therefore x we are getting as 50. Now next they are asking to find the 3 consecutive numbers. So the first, so our x answer is 50, we got it. So now you can find 3 consecutive numbers. So first one is x, that is 50. Second consecutive x plus 1, that is 50 plus 1. Then third consecutive is 50 plus 2. The final answer is 50, 51 and 52. These all are the 3 consecutive numbers. The next question. In class of 40 pupils, the number of girls is 3/5. 3/5 of the number of the boys. So you should take the boys as x. Now you should declare boys is equal to x. Then girls will become 3 by 5 of x. That is equal to 3 by 5 of x. That is 3x by 5. Then the total pupils is equal to 40. Now how to calculate the total strength? We are adding the boys plus girls is equal to total. And we are going to find the number of the boys. It means we need to find the x value. How many boys are there in the class? That is x plus. How many girls are there in the class? That is 3x by 5 and total strength is 40. Now take the LCM of this denominator. 1 times 5 is 5 you will get. Then denominator multiply with the 5, numerator multiply with the 5, then you will get 5x plus denominator multiply with the 1, then numerator multiply with the then 1, that is 3 times of x, which is equal to 40. Then 5x plus 3x, that is equal to 8x by 5, which is equal to 40. Now send this 5 to the right side. Then 8x is equal to 40 into 5 you are getting. The next 8 ones are 8 5s are 40. Then x is equal to 25. Therefore number of boys in the class is equal to 25. The next question. After 15 years, Mary's age will be 4 times of her present age. So you should take present age of present age of Mary age is equal to x years. Then present age of Mary is x. After 15 years, what is the 50? After 15 years, what is the Mary's age will become x plus 15. Now what is the statement? After 4 years, the Mary age will become 4 times of present age. Present age is x. Now this is the equation, x plus 15, which is equal to 4 times of x. Now transfer the 4x to the left side and number to the right side. Then x minus 4x, which is equal to minus 15. Then minus 3 times of x is equal to minus 15. Then cancel negative. Then 3x is equal to 5. Then 3 times 1 is 3 times 5 is then x is equal to 15. What is this x? That is Mary's present age. So therefore Mary's present age is equal to 15 years. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. Tutor. I will now explain the problems in exercise 2.5 from 8th question. Aravind has a kiddie bank. It is full of 1 rupee and 50 paise coins. It contains 3 times as many 50 paise coins as 1 rupee coins. So 50 paise coins as 1 rupee coins. So you should take 1 rupee coins as x and 50 paise coins as 3 times of x. Why? Because there are the triple than the 1 rupee coins. The total amount of the money in the bank is 35 rupees. How many coins of each kind are there in bank? Each kind means how many. We are going to calculate how many 1 rupee coins are there and how many 50 paise coins are there in that kiddie bank. So now you should define the 1 rupee coins as x. I mean number of 1 rupee coins are x and number of 50 paise coins is equal to 3 times of x. Now so as per the problem, how many 1 rupees coins are there? 1 rupee coins are there x plus 50 paise coins. So I convert the 50 paise to the rupees, that will become 50 by 100 rupees. So which is equal to 1 by 2 rupees. So that is 1 by 2 rupees. And how many 50 paise are there? That is 3 times of x. and the total money will become 35 rupees. Here we are multiplying 1 rupee coins into x coins, then 50 paisa coins into 3 times of x coins is equal to 35. Now 1 into x we are getting x plus, this is 3x by 2 which is equal to 35. Now take the LCM of this denominator. 1 times 2 is 2 we are getting, so LCM we are getting as 2, then 1 times 2 is then numerator multiply with 2, that is 2 times of x plus 2 times 1 is 3 times of x1 that is 3 times of x which is equal to 35. Now 2x plus 3 we are getting 5x by 2 which is equal to 35. Now send to the 2 to the right side will become 5x which is equal to 35 into 2. Now cancel 5 times 1 is 5 times 7 is then x is equal to 14. So what is an x? 1 rupee coins. Therefore 1 rupee coins is equal to 14 in that kitty bank. And what about the 50 paisa coins? That is equal to 3 into 14, that is equal to 42 we are getting. So 50 paisa coins are 42 there and 1 rupee coins are 52 in that kitty. 14 is there in that kitty bank. Next question. A and B together can finish a piece of work in 12 days. That is A plus B, both A plus B, they can finish the work in 12 days. There, and if A alone can finish the work in same 20 days. So A's work they given as 20 days. In how many days B alone can finish it? So you can take B's work as x days. Now A plus B's 1 day work. 1 day work will become 1 by 12 and A's 1 day work which will become 1 by 20. Then next B's 1 day work which will become 1 by x. Therefore we are calculating 1 by 20, A plus B which is equal to, they can finish the both work in 1 day, that is A plus B's 1 day work. I have written here A plus B's 1 day work, that is 1 by 20 plus 1 by x which is equal to 1 by 20. Now take the LCM of this denominator. 20 into x we are getting 20 x, multiply with the x, then you should multiply with the x, that is x plus, multiply with the 20, numerator into multiply with the 20, that is 20 which is equal to 1 by 12. Then x plus 20 by 20x which is equal to 1 by 12. Then take the cross product, you will get then 12 into x plus 20 which is equal to 20 in x into 1. So 12x plus 12 into 12, 2 is 12 2 is 24, 240 we are getting 20 into x, that is 20x. Now transfer the x to the right side or left side. So 12x minus 20x which is equal to minus 240. So plus 240 we are transposing to the right side will become minus 240. The next step will become 12 minus 20 will become minus 8x which is equal to minus 240. So cancel negative, then 8 times 1 is 8 times 3 is 24, then x is equal to 30 is an answer. So therefore B can finish the work in 30 days. So B can do the work, finish the work. B can finish the work, therefore B can finish the work in 30 days. Next question. If a train runs at 40 km per hour, it reaches its destination late by 10 minutes. So if the train travels 40 km per hour, it will reach the destination late by 11 minutes. It will reach by late 11 minutes. But if its train runs at 50 km per hour, it late by 5 minutes only. Find the distance to be covered by the train. So here we have two cases. Now if the first case so first you should take the original distance. You should take the original distance as x kilometer, and they given in the case first one. In the case one, the given speed. If the train will travel with the speed of 40 km per hour, it will reach the destination by late by 11 minutes. So how to calculate the time now? Time is equal to distance by speed. So what the distance here? X kilometer by speed is 40. That will become x by 40 hours. It is the first case. In the next case, if the the speed of the train is given 50 km per hour, and the time of this train will become d by s, distance by speed, that is equal to x by 50 hours. In the first case, time will become x by 40, and second time will become x by 50 hours. The next, so if the trains reach this speed 40 km, the train will become 11 minutes, that is 11 by 60 hours you should take, and this will become 5 minutes, means you take 5 by 60 hours. Now as per the problem, then x by 40 plus 11 by 60, I mean it will be going 40 km per minute, it will become late 11 minutes. Again it will reach the it will travel by 50 km per hour, it will be late by 5 minutes, that is 5 by 60 hours. Now I am adding the total times here. I am adding this time and 11 by 60 time, and late time, I mean 50 km per hour time, and 5 minutes late hour. Then next will become to the LCM of this 4 and 60 and 40. Here now you can transfer the x term to the left side and number term to the right side. So x by 40 minus x by 50 will become 5 by 60 minus 11 by 60 will become. Now we are going to find x value. Now take the LCM of 40 and 50. So next LCM of 40 and 50, 220 is a 40, 225 is a 50. Then I am taking the 5 table, 5 times 4 is a 5 times 5 is a 25. Then 2 times 2 is a 2 times 5 is a. Then LCM we are getting 2 times 5 is a 10, 20, 40, 40 into 5 that is 200. So LCM of this 40 and 50 we are getting as 200. Then there is 200. Then next multiply the 40 into 5, then multiply into 5, that is 5 times of x minus 5 times 50 times 4 is, then 4 times x, that is 4 times of x, which is equal to 5 minus 11, that is minus 6 by 60. Right side we have direct like fractions only, no need of LCM. So then 5x minus x we are getting 1x by 200, which is equal to minus 6 by 60. Then x will become minus 6 by 60 into 200, then cancel 2 ones are 2, 6 ones are 6 tens are, then 10 ones are 10 20s are, then x is equal to minus 20. Therefore distance is equal to 20 kilometer. We are got the answer. Next, 1/4 of herd of deer has gone to the forest. 1/3 of total number is grazing in a field, and remaining 15 are drinking water in the bank of river. Find the total number of days. So first you should take total. First you should take total number of deeds is equal to x. 1/4 of herd. Herd means it is a number of domestic elements is called as a herd. The 1/4 of herd deers has gone to the forest. Number of deers gone to the forest is x by 4. Number of deers grazing in the field is x by 3, and the remaining deers are 15. Now we are going to make the equation. So total number of deers are x. From that x, someone went for the forest, some deers are went to forest, and some deers are grazing in the field, and some are remaining are there. So now we are adding these all the deers, we are getting the total. So now you can, by using this, now you can make the equation. So x by 4 are gone to the forest, plus x by 3 are grazing in the field, plus remaining deers are 15, and which are is equal to total 15. Now you should take the LCM. Then 4 times 3 is 3 into x. So numerator and denominator multiply with 3, numerator multiply with 3, that is 3 times of x plus 3 4 is 12, numerator multiply with 4 into x, that is 4x, plus 5 into 12, that is 180, which is equal to x. Now add this 3 plus 4, we are getting 7 times of x plus 180 by 12, which is equal to x. Now take the, now send to this right side, then 7 times of x plus 180, which is equal to 12 times of x. Now x send to the left side. So 7x minus 12x, which is equal to minus 180. Then 7 minus 12, that is minus 5 times of x is equal to minus 180. Then cancel the negative and negative. Then 5 times of x is equal to 180. Then 5 ones are 5 times 3 is 5 times 5 is 3 times 5 is sorry 5 times 6 is 30 we are getting. Therefore x is equal to 36. So therefore total number of deers is 36. The next question. By selling a radio for 903 rupees, a shopkeeper gains 5%. Gains means profit. Find the cost price of the radio. Now you should take cost price of radio is equal to x, then profit is equal to 5% of that cost price, that is 5 by 100 into x, that is equal to 5x by 100. The next by the problem, x plus 5 by of x and cost price plus profit, which is equal to 903 rupees. Then you can get the equation. Now you should take the LCM of this 100, you will get 100, then denominator multiply with 100, so numerator multiply with 100, that is 100 times of x plus into 1, so numerator multiply with 1, that is 5 times of x, which is equal to 903. Now transfer this to 100 to the right side, it will become multiplication, and numerator you can add 100 into 105, that will become 105 times of x by 100, which is equal to 903. Then 105 of x is equal to 903 into 100. Then transfer this 105 to the right side, then 903 by into 100 by 105 you will get. Now if you are cancelling all the things, you are getting x is equal to 105. So you can cancel 3 table. So 3 times 3 is 3 times 5 is 15. Then 3 3 is 3 1s are. Then next 5 table you can take 5 7s are 520 is next 7 times 1 is 7 times 4 is 28, 7 times 3 is then 43 into 20 we are getting. Then x is equal to 2 to the 62, 4 6, 4 to the 8, 860. Therefore cost price of radio is 860 rupees. The next question, Shaker gives a quarter means 1 by 4 of his sweets to Renu, and then gives 5 sweets to Raji. He has 7 left. So Shaker gives Renu. So total, first you should take total number of sweets as x, then sweets given to, so total number of sweets is equal to x, and sweets given to Renu is x by 4, and the sweets given to Raji is 5 sweets, and the leftover sweets are 7. Therefore total, how to calculate, x by 4 plus 5 plus 7, which is equal to total number of sweets are x. Now x by 4 plus 5 plus 7 is 12, which is equal to x. Now transfer the x to the left side and number term to the left side, x term to the left side. So x by 4 minus x, which is equal to minus 12. Now do the LCM, you are getting 4. So 4 1s are x 1s are x minus 1 times 4 is into 4, that is minus 4x, which is equal to minus 12. So x minus 4x, we have minus 3x by 4, which is equal to minus 12. Then transfer to the right side, then minus 3 times of x is equal to minus 12 into 4. Then negative cancel, then 3 times 1 is 3 times 4 is 12. Then x is equal to 16. Therefore total number of sweets, total number of sweets is equal to 16. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel to get more solutions from Telangana state syllabus.